Understanding Rooftop Displays, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase you might encounter: rooftop displays. This term might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and imagery. Let's dive in and discover its significance together. Rooftop displays is a compound noun made up of two words, rooftop and displays. Let's look at each word separately. A rooftop is the outer surface at the top of a building. It's the highest point that can be seen from the ground. The word displays refers to things that are shown or exhibited, often in a way that attracts attention. So, when combined, rooftop displays suggests something eye-catching presented on the top of a building. Understanding the context where rooftop displays is used can be very helpful. This phrase is often associated with decorations or advertisements found on rooftops. For example, during festive seasons, you might see buildings with beautiful lights and decorations on their rooftops. These are rooftop displays. Similarly, some buildings might have large billboards or signs on their rooftops, especially in commercial areas, to attract people's attention. To help you better understand, let's visualize some examples of rooftop displays. Imagine a building during Christmas with twinkling lights and a giant Santa Claus figure on the roof. That's a festive rooftop display. Or picture a tall building in a city with a large, glowing sign of a famous brand on its roof. That's a commercial rooftop display. It's important to note that rooftop displays can vary greatly depending on the culture and region. In some countries, rooftop displays might be more common during certain festivals or holidays. In urban areas, commercial rooftop displays might be more prevalent. Understanding these variations can give you insight into how this phrase is used in different parts of the world. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, rooftop displays, and how it's used in various contexts. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about the imagery and culture behind them. Keep exploring and learning, and you'll find that English is full of interesting phrases like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.